I wish I could be there with you guys. You know, I see you holding it down, so I know you got my back. They rebooted my immune system, so I couldn't leave. This is my first day out of the hospital, but I had to make sure I could be there with you guys. Rocking the end tune, so I hear you guys loud and clear. It's a beautiful thing.
All right, let's get it for Nick. Nick, thank you, man.
Anytime. Thank you for all you do for me.
Hey, listen, tell them how you're going to rock this. Talk up a little bit about the movie and the TV shows.
Oh, well, you know, I'm trying to be a multi-media mega monster mogul. So we're already infusing these headphones in every music video that you see across from MTV to Nickelodeon and BET. Obviously, I'm directing my first feature film this year, so we're putting them in there. You know, I heard about this small product called Beats by Dre. I got to top them. They're going to be everywhere, trust me. We're gonna make sure that it happens in 2012.